In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. We'll walk through the process using the new Outlook on desktop and Outlook on the web, and the flow is virtually the same in both. By the end, you'll be confident setting up a Teams meeting that includes all the right details and an automatically generated join link. Start by opening Outlook and switching to your calendar. This view is designed for planning and makes it easy to see your week, check availability, and avoid conflicts. If you're in Mail, just select Calendar from the left navigation pane, and you're ready to go. Next, create your meeting. Click New Event, sometimes labeled New Meeting depending on your view. This opens a fresh event window where you'll add everything your participants need. If you prefer, you can also click directly on a time slot in the calendar and then choose New Event from there. The result is the same. Before adding details, turn it into a Teams meeting. Look for the Teams meeting toggle or button in the event window and switch it on. In most layouts, it's clearly labeled and appears near the top of the form. Turning this on is important because it automatically adds the Teams join link and dial-in details if your organization has that enabled, so people can join with a single click. Now add your meeting information. Give your event a clear, descriptive title so attendees instantly understand the purpose. In the attendees fields, add required participants first, and use the optional field for anyone who should be informed but isn't essential. Set the date and time, and double-check time zones if your team is spread across regions. In the body of the event, write a brief agenda or outline. A few bullet-style lines or short paragraphs that list objectives, topics, or prep work can save time and set expectations. If you're referencing documents, you can paste links here as well. Keeping the agenda concise and actionable helps everyone show up prepared. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook automatically includes the Teams meeting link in the invite, so recipients will see the join information in their email and on the calendar event itself. You can always open the event later to adjust the time, update the agenda, or add more attendees. The Teams link stays attached. That's it. You've scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook quickly and correctly, with all the essentials in place. Thanks for watching.